Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain Cauchy's linear equation or homogeneous linear equation. So let us see the form of Cauchy's linear equation. So the equation of the form x power n into d power ny by dx power n plus p1 x into x power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on p n of y equal to q of x. So this is called homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation or Cauchy's linear equation. Cauchy's linear equation. So the Cauchy's linear equation is in the form of x power n into d power ny by dx power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 into d power n minus 1 by dx power n plus and so on p n of y equal to q of x. So in this Cauchy's linear equation, put x equal to e power z. X equal to e power z. Then what is z value? Z equal to log x. So that is log x equal to z. So then here xd equal to theta. Xd equal to theta. So here theta value d by dz. Theta equal to d by dz. Then x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1 x cube d cube equal to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. So and so on. Final last term, that is x power n d power n equal to theta into theta minus 1 theta minus 2 and so on theta minus of n minus 1. So this is the values of Cauchy's linear equation. So first put x equal to e power z, then log x equal to z. So xd equal to theta. So x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1 x cube d cube equal to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. So and so on. Nth term, that is x power n d power n equal to theta into theta minus 1 theta minus 2 and so on theta minus of n minus 1. I will explain problems on Cauchy's linear equation. So first problem, x square d square plus xd minus 1 into y equal to x cube. So this is called Cauchy's linear equation. So here put x equal to e power z. Okay. So then x cube equal to e power 3z. X cube equal to e power 3z and xd equal to theta. Then x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1. So substitute these values in given problem. So here x square d square. So that is theta into theta minus 1 plus xd value theta minus 1 into y equal to here x cube. So x cube value e power 3z. X cube equal to e power 3z. So theta square minus theta plus theta minus 1 into y equal to e power 3z. So minus theta plus theta cancel. Theta square minus 1 into y equal to e power 3z. So then to find the complementary function of this equation. So this is in the form of f of d of y equal to q of x. So f of d of y in terms of theta and z. So to find by writing the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 1 equal to 0. M square minus 1 equal to 0, then m equal to plus or minus 1. So therefore complementary function, that is e power mx into c1 e power x plus e power mx into c2 e power x. So first term c1 e power z plus c2 e power minus z. So this is our complementary function. Next, to find particular integral. So what is particular integral? 1 by f of d into q of x. So here f of d value theta square minus 1 into e power 3z. So e power ax by d square plus a square. So here put theta equal to 3. So then 1 by 3 square. So that is 9 minus 1 into e power 3z. So e power 3z by 8. So this is our particular integral value. So what is general solution? General solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So coming to the particular complementary function, c1 e power z plus c2 e power minus z plus 1 by 8 of e power 3z. So finally substituting z value. So what is z? So here x equal to e power z, then z equal to log x. Okay, so here c1, substituting these values in general solution. So c1 e power z, that is log x, plus c2 e power minus log x plus 1 by 8 e power 3 log x, e power 3 log x. So that is c1 e power log x, e power log x plus c2 e power log of x power minus 1 plus 1 by 8 e power log of x cube. So finally the general solution of our given problem, c1 e power log x, so that is x, plus c2 e power log x power minus 1, that is 1 by x, plus 1 by 8 of x cube. So this is our general solution of given problem. Next problem, x cube d cube plus 2x square d square plus xd minus 1 into y equal to cos of log x, cos of log x. So this is also in the form of Cauchy's linear equation. So substituting x equal to e power z, then z equal to log x. So and we have the formulas for xd equal to theta, x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1, x cube d cube equal to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. So substituting these values in given problem. So here x cube d cube, theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 plus 2 into x square theta d square. So 2 into theta minus 1 plus xd theta minus 1 into y equal to cos log x. So that is cos z. So here solving this, theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2. So this is theta into theta minus 1. So theta square minus theta into theta minus 2 plus 2 into here theta square minus theta plus theta minus 1 into y equal to cos z. So theta square, so again multiply these two terms. So theta cube minus 2 theta square minus theta square plus 2 theta, okay, plus 2 theta square minus 2 theta plus theta minus 1 into y equal to cos z. So here theta cube minus 2 theta square plus 2 theta square cancel, plus 2 theta minus 2 theta cancel. So theta cube minus theta square plus theta minus 1 into y equal to cos z. So this can be written as theta square plus 1 into theta minus 1 into y equal to cos z. So coming to the, so this is in the form of fd of y equal to q of x. So then auxiliary equation that is m square plus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore the roots are m equal to plus or minus I and m equal to 1. So coming to the complementary function. So complementary function, here first I am writing this term c1 e power z plus e power alpha x. So that is here alpha value 0. So that is e power 0 value 1. So c2 cos z plus c3 sin z. So this is our complementary function. So coming to the particular integral. So particular integral f of dy. So 1 by theta square plus 1 into theta minus 1 into cos z. So substituting d square equal to 1. So minus 1. So 1 by theta square plus 1 into 1 by theta minus 1 into cos z. So here divide and multiplied by theta plus 1. So theta plus 1 by theta plus 1 into theta minus 1 into cos z. So 1 by theta square plus 1 into theta plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b formula, that is theta square minus 1 into cos z. So here substituting theta square equal to minus 1. So 1 by theta square plus 1 into theta plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So that is minus 2 cos z. So minus 1 by 2 of minus 1 by 2 of 1 by theta square plus 1 of theta cos z, theta of cos z plus 1 into cos z. So minus 1 by 2 of 1 by theta square plus 1 into, so theta of cos z, so that is cos d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, so that is minus sin z plus cos z. So minus of minus plus 1 by 2 of, here 1 by theta square plus 1 into sin z, minus into minus, sorry, minus into plus minus cos z by theta square plus 1. So again substituting theta equal to minus 1. So 1 by 2 of sin z by minus 1 plus 1 minus cos z by minus 1 plus 1. So here f of z value is equal to 0. So by substituting the formulas here, that is 1 by d square plus a square into sin ax equal to minus x by 2a cos ax, and 1 by d square plus a square cos ax equal to x by 2a sin ax. So substituting these two values here, 1 by 2 of sin ax. So here a value 1 and so a minus x by 2. So here x is nothing but z. Z by 2 cos z minus of here z by 2 sin z. So therefore our particular integral is half of minus z by 2 cos z minus z by 2 sin z. So general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function c1 e power z c2 cos z plus c3 sin z, and particular integral 1 by 2 of minus z by 2 cos z minus z by 2 sin z. So here substituting z equal to log x. So substituting z equal to log x in general solution. So our final solution, that is c1x plus c2 cos log x plus c3 sin log x minus log x by 4 into cos of log x plus sin of log x. So this is our general solution of given problem. So I am taking one more problem, that is 3x square d square plus xd minus 1 into y equal to x. So this is also in the form of Cauchy's linear equation. So put x equal to e power z, then z equal to log x and xd equal to theta, x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1. So substituting these values in given problem, here 3 into theta minus 1 plus theta minus 1 into y equal to x. So x equal to e power z. So 3 into theta minus 1, theta square minus theta. So that can be written as 3 theta square minus 3 theta plus theta minus 1 into y equal to e power z. So 3 theta square minus 2 theta minus 1 into y equal to e power z. So auxiliary equation, that is 3m square minus 2m minus 1 equal to 0. So finding the roots, 3m square, here minus 3m plus m minus 1 equal to 0. So 3m, that is m minus 1 common, m minus 1, here plus 1 common, m minus 1 equal to 0. So the roots are m equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 3. So complementary function, that is c1 e power z plus c2 e power minus 1 by 3 of z. Next, to finding the particular integral, that is 1 by 3 theta square minus 2 theta minus 1 into e power z. So here substituting theta equal to 1. So therefore 1 by 3 minus 2 minus 1 into e power z. So that is 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0. So this value is, f of a value is 0. So f of a equal to 0. Here we have one formula, that is x power k by k factorial. X power k by k factorial into e power ax. 1 by 3 theta plus 1 into theta minus 1 into e power z. So here this value 0. So by using the formula x power k by k factorial into e power x, and here substituting theta equal to 1. So 3 plus 1, 1 by 4 into x power k. So this power is 1. So that's z by x power k. So power value is 1. So that is z e power z. So our required particular integral 1 by 4 into z e power z. So complementary general solution, that is complementary function plus particular integral. So our complementary function c1 e power z plus c2 e power minus 1 by 3 of z plus particular integral 1 by 4 z e power z. So substituting z equal to log x, then we get the final general solution, that is c1 y equal to c1x plus c2 into 1 by x power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into x log x. So this is our required general solution. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.